Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm unboxing my very first square journal and giving you a look at its features, design, paper quality and everything that makes it stand out. Whether you're a journal lover, bullet journal beginner or stationery addict, you won't want to miss this. Stick around for a close-up review and my honest first opinions. It comes in this lovely box. Oh, I'm so excited to open this. This journal is called Moonlight Melody. It's from Tiefossi. It's an 8x8 square journal and it's a dotted grid notebook. This video isn't sponsored by Tiefossi. I bought this notebook myself. All the notebooks and journals I have are all from Tiefossi. They're really good quality. The cover's beautiful, look at that. I love the gold and red foil. It's absolutely stunning. So nice. Oh, look at the gold on the edging. And it's got a pen loop, an elastic band. And then it's nice embossed design on the back as well. And it feels lovely. Let's open it up. It's got a large pocket on the back. The paper is 160 GSM and it's pure white. It's great paper. You don't have no bleeding when using pens, markers and highlighters. Get a little thank you card. Look at the gold foil. And that's your name page. Can't wait to start using this. I think I'm going to use it as my creative journal. I chose a square journal because I thought it'd just be different for me because I've just been using A5. Because I like to decorate a lot, sometimes I don't have a lot of space left to do me journaling. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this unboxing and you're into journaling, stationery or just love seeing new creative tools, I'd be grateful if you hit the like button and subscribe to support my little channel. I'm just getting started and your support would truly mean the world. Don't forget to tap the bell so you don't miss out on my upcoming setup with this square journal. I've got some fun ideas planned. Leave a comment below if you've used a square journal too, or if you're just thinking of trying one. I'd love to chat with you in the comments. Until next time, happy journaling.